Hello students! Today we're studying the sound of the letters A-R. A-R. So we're going to make like we are at the doctor's and the doctor wants to see into our throat. So we pretend we have a stick in our mouth and we go R, R. Good job! Again, R, R. Well done. Our first word is A-R-M. A-R-M. Arm. Arm. Show me your arms. Good. Next word. C-A-R. C-A-R. Car. Car. The word car, or the sight of a car, makes many people go vroom vroom. Next word, P-A-R-K. P-A-R-K. Park. Park. Many children like to go play in the park to meet with their friends after school. Park. Next word, D-A-R-K. D-A-R-K. In the daytime it's very bright, but at night it's dark. Nighttime is dark. Last word, S-T-A-R. S-T-A-R. Star. Star. In the sky you can see many stars. Well done!